Is your PC really protected from hidden threats during startup? In this video, we are breaking down Secure Boot. What is it, why it matters, and how it keeps your Windows 11 device safe from dangerous rootkits and malware. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Maliky Academy for more easy to understand tech tips and tutorials. What is a secure boot? Secure boot is a security feature built into your computer's firmware, also known as UEFI. When your PC starts up, Secure Boot checks all the software being loaded, including your operating system, to make sure it's trusted and hasn't been tampered with. It's like a bouncer at the door, only letting in verified signed code, blocking any unknown or harmful programs from running at boot. Without Secure Boot, dangerous software like rootkits can sneak in before Windows even loads. These types of malware are super hard to detect and remove. Secure Boot helps prevent that by only allowing trusted bootloaders in OS files. In short, it is your PC's first line of defense. To check if Secure Boot is enabled on your PC, just press Windows plus R, type msinfo32 and hit enter. Look for Secure Boot state. If it says on, you are good. If not, you might need to enable it in your BIOS or UEFI settings. But only do this if you know your system supports it. Do you need it for Windows 11? Yes, Secure Boot is actually one of the mandatory requirements for installing or upgrading to Windows 11. Microsoft added it to help protect users and reduce firmware level attacks. So, if you are planning to upgrade, Secure Boot needs to be enabled. And that's all about Secure Boot. A small setting that makes a big difference in keeping your system secure. Got questions about BIOS, TPM, or Windows 11 security? Drop them in the comment below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech content from the Maliky Academy. See you next time.